How NFTs work. Now you know what an NFT is. It is important that you know how it works. If you want to profit from NFTs, it is always a good idea to have a good grounding in how they work. We have tried to keep this video as free from technical jargon as possible, but there are some technical elements that are fundamental to the way that NFTs work. Public and private keys. You learned in the first video that NFTs are tied to a blockchain network. Usually, NFTs are traded on the Ethereum network. In order for an NFT to be secure, it relies on cryptography. This means that the digital file is modified in such a way that it can only be understood by the intended recipients. To everyone else, it will just look like a random sequence of characters. In order to create this cryptography and manipulate the digital file properly, there has to be two keys used. These are known as public and private keys. When you use a blockchain network, you will have a public key which you can share with anyone. A person uses your public key to encrypt their message so that it becomes a random sequence of unintelligible characters. The only way that you can unlock the encryption on the message is to use your private key. This will enable a mathematical calculation to be performed which decrypts the message or file so that you can read it. Using both public and private keys enable unique digital signatures to be created, and this is used in the blockchain network to ensure that all transactions are secure, authentic, and anonymous. Blockchain and NFTs. It is essential to use blockchain technology to create NFTs. Blockchain uses cryptography to make chains from the blocks of data, and this grows into a list of authentic records. Every block in a blockchain is linked to the previous block by a crypto string of characters called a cryptographic hash. This means that the user can identify unique data sets within the blocks. A special data structure called a Merkle tree is used to provide fast retrieval of records in the blockchain. All users of a blockchain network must create their public and private keys in order to access it. A blockchain network can be used to support both fungible, in other words Bitcoin and Ethereum, and non-fungible digital assets. The use of blockchain means that it is provable that an NFT asset is unique. Creators of NFTs are able to create a unique digital artifact and store it as a token on the blockchain network. Transfers through crypto wallets. If you were to purchase an NFT, you would need a crypto wallet set up to receive it. Crypto wallets can be online or offline. Trading fiat currency such as the US dollar for a cryptocurrency such as Ethereum takes place using a crypto wallet. The exchange platform can provide you with a free crypto wallet, or you can make your own arrangements to obtain one. When payment for the NFT is received by the owner, they can release the token to your crypto wallet. Once you are in possession of this NFT token, it proves that you now own the original. This doesn't stop others having a digital copy of your newly acquired NFT, but these can never be proven to be the original. Only you can prove that. Your private crypto key is your proof of ownership. The public key of the NFT original creator acts as a certificate of authenticity. The combination of the original creator's public key and the new owner's private key determines the value of any NFT. NFTs have been around since 2017. NFTs started in 2017 with the CryptoKitties game. This is a popular game that allows players to purchase and breed virtual cats. This sparked an increase in the use of NFTs by game developers, and they use them to enable other game players to win in-game items such as digital swords and shields and other collectibles. Tokenization of these in-game assets was really significant. It meant that it was possible to transfer digital assets between different games and to other players using NFTs. Of course, this needs to happen on a specialized blockchain network. Reduction of carbon footprint sought. An unfortunate aspect of blockchain networks that support cryptocurrencies and NFTs is the carbon footprint that is created through the energy consumption it takes to keep them going. This is because to ensure the security of a blockchain network, a number of special computers called miners are used in competition with each other to solve complex mathematical puzzles. These miners are essential as it prevents others from gaming the system. The miner that solves the complex puzzle first is rewarded with an amount of cryptocurrency coins. To solve these complex puzzles requires significant computing power, which in turn requires more energy. Things are changing with the Ethereum blockchain network and others to make the design of the network require less computational power. There are also new blockchain networks emerging that have a small carbon footprint such as Cardano. They have their own NFT platform that is growing in popularity known as Cardano Kids. It is important for you to know about these carbon footprint issues as they are going to have a significant impact on the future of the NFT market. There are already some artists that refuse to create NFTs because of this issue. Things need to improve fast, and they are. In the next video, we will discuss the benefits of NFTs.